In the heart of a sunny suburb, the air shimmered with laughter as a group of children gathered in the Johnsons' backyard, their imaginations ready to unfold an afternoon of grown-up play. "Welcome to the grand opening of Café Delight," exclaimed 7-year-old Mia, wearing her mother's oversized apron and a floppy hat she found in the attic. See, with a clipboard in hand, she took on the role of the bustling cafe owner. Under a makeshift tent, Tommy, equipped with a toy cash register and a bow tie made Vivon, declared himself the manager. His serious disposition contrasted comically with his freckled nose peering over the counter. Lucy and Jake, the assigned chefs, took tea. Air stations at the toy kitchen set. Pots and pans clanged while they prepared exotic dishes like mud pies adorned with dandelion garnishes and sand cupcakes, served on Brandt plastic plates. "The soup of the day is a wonderful mix of grass and apples," announced Jake, stirring a bucket with a stick, while Lucy carefully arranged leaves on a plate, calling them gourmet flatbreads. Nearby, Allie and her younger brother, Sam, transformed a cardboard box into a car, their taxi service ready to ferry guests to and from the cafe. Allie donned her father's old sunglasses and an air of importance, honking a horn every time she picked up a stuffed animal passenger. As parents peeked outside, they saw not just kids playing but a microcosm of adulthood, buzzing with energy and creativity. They laughed at the earnestness each child put into their role. Taking phone orders on disconnected handsets and scribbling reservations on notepads. By sunset, the cafe closed, sales were tallied in scribbles, and for the night, as the children emerged from their roles, stories of their grand adventures echoed around, their laughter blending with the evening breeze. In playing grown-ups, the kids not only unleashed their creativity but also captured the whimsical joy of childhood, inventing a world where they could be anything, just for a day.